Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Good morning. So for those that who are joining me right now, if you are here with me, appreciate if you can type a one for me so that I know my sound and screen is okay. Right. So we're gonna start our section here today. So again, this section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks that based on our discussion in this morning over here, so first of all, make sure your own trading plan. If not, just get a advice, okay, from the professional. So definitely, we are not doing any buy and sell call. All right, just wanted to do a sharing purpose. Okay, so today I think we're going to look into some of the trade setups again, right? So market has been pretty quiet, okay, overall for past 2 3 weeks already. I believe that's okay, at least 2 weeks plus. So well, let's see what we have overall. Okay, but I think some of the stock actually still forming a very nice so-called pullback patterns, pullback setups. Okay, so it's a good time for you to reshuffle a little bit on your portfolio or watch list. So personally, I'm also doing the same things. I look into some of the stocks that probably is not performing. They've been sideways for some times. I probably need to cut, I exit. Then I add on, okay, some of the new stocks. Okay, so this is personally I'm doing for this past few days. Okay, so VRB is the one of the counters that I'm still actually holding right now at this moment over here because I don't see any reasons why to sell yet. Okay, because they're actually it's still in the nice trend. Make a pullbacks for past 1 or 2 weeks ago, and now looks like today it got a little bit of reaction at least. So volume is not that high yet. Of course, now we are still in the very first 30 minute of the day. All right. So hopefully we will see another, kind of like a pullback complete. Okay, somewhere around here, this kind of signals here. So if let's say, especially when the pullback happen from the 20 MA, usually I kind of like it one. Okay, because again, if you have attended my pullback courses the other day, when the stock actually going into zero, okay, on this so-called line over here, right? So again, this representing that they're actually very, very close with support level. So anything that happens got a sign of strength in this area here is a good sign, okay, it's to tell that actually the operator are still kind of interested and keen, right? Hopefully to support this rally, right? So here we have been from accumulations 30 over cents now to almost 50 cents already. It's a big run. Of course, I enter a little bit late. I think we enter somewhere around this area here, lah. Okay. Hopefully it can cross here successfully. Okay, and then move further, lah. So at the moment, this counter over here is only covered by M Invest. Okay, including today, I think they also publish a new target. Okay, but same target, sorry, a new report, but same target, which is 70 cents. But for me, if let's say can go above 60 cents, I'm very happy already. Okay, but again, let's see how it goes. Sometimes operator one push, apa target pun ada punya lah. So, okay, all right, this is a quick one overall for VLB for those that who following any counters. Okay, let's look into Malakoff. Malakoff, yeah, still holding very well. Actually, I kind of surprised also. They actually kind of nice. Okay, still above the S1. Again, nothing to worry. Of course, again, if you have entered together with me, I think we enter somewhere around here. Got a little bit of profit, not a lot, a little bit. Okay, I take partial profit already actually. So I do take partial profits. Lock some profit first because it's a good time for us to switch some of the stocks that are potentially having a nice setups. Okay, this one is still good for me, Malakoff, but just that a bit slow type one. If you want to look for something a bit mid to long term, I think yes, Malakoff is pretty suitable for you. Okay, again, the other one so in steady type, but probably because of due to market is weakening. Okay, so Hexstar Retail. Okay, but overall, I think they are still in a very nice pullback cycle. Just that they break a bit of this 2040 MA already. Okay, probably sideways kena tunggu lah. Sideways is gonna take some time. Okay, again, this one also I take partial profit already lah. Sorry, I exit half already. Okay, because I don't want to type myself into this kind of counters anymore. So I just exit first. Then I'll see how it goes. Again, probably want to switch a little bit of stocks. Now the other one, the a bit disappointing definitely is Kobe. Yesterday I thought that it going to January break, but disappointing towards the I think before lunch I start to drop already. Then after that it dropped lower back to the support level. Okay. But also I exit half already after I saw it goes up, drop, forming a shooting star. I take a little bit of profits. I'm still letting it go. Okay, I will see this few days whether it still holds support. If let's say they don't hold support, then probably I will chop out also for Kobe. All right, so that's quick one for Kobe. Any stocks? Do let me know if I missed any stocks that usually I cover in the Telegram. Right, so NGGB, I still think they are holding well. This one I still holding also. I didn't exit any because I do see they are still holding above the support level very nicely. Okay, now the other one is definitely ECMO. Okay, let's look into ECMO. Okay, Saturday we do have a so-called a talk. Okay, together with Mr. AK Tan from ECMO about the exciting sharing uh, ECMO, their future growth, and of course the current things that they're doing right now, including AI, chatbot, e-invoicing also. Right, so some exciting things that is happening at ECMO. So, all right, regarding chart setup again is weakening, but I don't see any weaknesses. Okay, again, drop below volume, which is expected in this market currently. Like I said the other day, I think I took some partial profit somewhere around here already. I'm still holding half. I will see how it actually tested around the gap area, okay, which is the S2 area currently. So because this area over here is the main support level, like Opstar also. So if you see after Opstar, it do a shakeout complete, they actually still kind of like holding well above the gap area. Okay, so if you go back to Opstar here, Opstar is still holding. I didn't sell any yet. Okay, because no point to sell now. I don't have much profit. Okay, unlike like Malakoff, I still got a bit profits, right? So I still can sell half. This one I didn't sell half at all. Okay, still holding. Shakeout completed. They are still above support. One of the reasons why I still kind of like it. ECMO as well. I think ECMO is a bit similar like Opstar. Okay, so right now the gaps up, pull back, test resistance cannot. Okay, I'm not sure whether the test second round now, but it looks like they are going down. Break the 2040s right now already for ECMO. Right? Maybe I'm not sure they will break this gap, make a shakeout before they retest. Potential also, right? Because sometimes when the resistance is a bit strong, they will do shakeout. Okay, which is I think happening a lot right now in Bursa market. Okay, especially shakeout happens pretty often. Okay, whenever market is weak, not bear market. Bear market is downtrend market. This kind of market usually you will see lots of shakeout, and it's very important for you to identify because whenever shakeout happens, they got chance, okay, at least to retest resistance or even break resistance. Okay, so yeah, that's why I try to exit a little bit of stocks right now, get a little bit of cash back to prepare for shakeout patterns. Okay, so okay, all right. If you are here with me, appreciate if you can type a one for me, please. Okay, so that at least I know who is here with me lah. Type a one for me, please. Okay. So, okay, let's look into other counters. I think we'll recently also a lot of people talk about the next. Okay, ask me about the next. I think because of the NISS project. Am I right? Okay, I didn't follow news very closely. But like I said, this is still in a shakeout. Okay, this is still in a shakeout. Shakeout yet to complete. I'm not saying you can buy or sell, but if you want to buy right now, you probably need to wait and hold. Because normally when the stock is still below shakeout, yes, they need a little bit of time on. Normally, I like to trade Shakeout Complete. Shakeout Complete is faster. Is you are buying slightly higher price, which is your risk also higher a little bit. But normally, it will give me more so-called fast result. Okay, if not, sometimes it will sideways over here for a few months. Okay, if you look into just now, even Opstar, right? Even though it didn't hit the resistance, but it actually tried to go resistance. Okay, so if let's say you want to trade within the range, also pretty good also, right? Whenever the shakeout is complete. Okay. So yeah, there's D next. Overall, I think they are still doing shakeout, but shakeout yet to complete. All right. Any other shakeout stocks that you want me to look into? Just now, I think morning I found one shakeout stocks, but I forgot the name. Okay, never mind. If let's say there's no questions from you, I just go into this pullback. Okay, Wong said D next better wait for the shakeout complete with NISSE yet to announce. Oh, yet to announce. I thought today got some news, right? If data got it, the next may down. Oh, okay. Oh, that's why one of the reasons why data also going up, is it? Sorry, I didn't really follow news very closely. One of the reasons why, one of my weakness, to be frank, I have to read news. Okay, now this one, data yesterday pullback completes. Okay, but this one, I still think that this resistance is strong. So make sure this level watch out because of this high volume down bar. Okay, high volume double. Oh, this one very interesting. Lots of insider buy. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, you see all this B one. Okay, in over here, right? If let's say you're using X chart, including the mobile versions one. So B representing insider buy, or S representing insider sell, which is from the director itself. Okay. BC stand for buy call by analyst. SC stand for sell call by analyst. Okay, so two different things. So here, analysts didn't call these stocks, but it looks like got insider buy and sell happened lately this month. All right. But again, don't take this buy sell from insider as your buy and sell signal, because insider sometimes they buy and sell because of business purposes. Okay, doesn't mean they want to push or dump stocks. Okay, because the operator sometimes is not from the company itself. Okay, the operator sometimes is not from the company itself. Okay, can be from others. Okay, but sometimes can be from the insider itself. Again, I'm not doing any buy and sell call, just sharing. So what I do normally is like that. Okay, if I see something that strength signal coming up, okay, the setup is nice already lah. The setup is nice, right? Sideways, macam support bar, right? And at the same times, I see suddenly, red tone. Red tone is Vincent Tan, is it? Wong or Agong stock, I cannot recall. Oh yeah, Berjaya Group. Okay, Berjaya Group. Oh, okay, no wonder. Okay, thank you for letting me know. So this one looks like they are buying quite aggressively. So okay, now this is what I mean. Okay, whenever there is a strength coming up, right? Okay, followed by some insider buying happening, can be before. Okay, this is a good sign for you to watch out. Okay, this is something that you should watch out. Okay, I think previously there's one counters. Quite easy to follow one. This is because it's an indicator, so it's very easy to follow. PNB Tech, is it PNB Tech or Paragon? I think it's Paragon. Sorry, Paragon. Or this one I cannot recall already. Long time ago lah. Long time ago lah. Here. This one very chanted one. Okay, I think somewhere around here. Correct. This is under the Kun family stocks. Under the Kun family stocks. Here also got, if not mistaken. Yeah, I think somewhere around here one time. I able to follow this one second time. Okay, after this one breaks up, right? Okay, sideways. Okay, long-term pullback. Okay, pullback completes with some buy signal. Then here you're actually able to write. So sometimes this kind of so-called, not to say every stock is like that, but you can use that as your so-called guide lah. Okay, is it anything is going on or not? Okay, so here also, right? Got one buy before the stock breaks up. You see lah. Like maybe BJ Crow, they like to do this one. Then you can follow lah some of these kind of counters. Okay, so yeah, there's a quick one for the next is sorry, what counters I forgot. Okay, now let's do into AAX. Okay, AAX mountain person I in yesterday. Now AAX, to be frank with you, one thing I don't like it. Even though the other day come with high volume, got pullback. I didn't really mention because of the gap lah. Okay, of this gap over here. Okay, looks like yesterday rejected again. Okay, but one thing good about this is that the volume is reducing. Okay, the volume is reducing, which means seller is getting reducing. Okay, but I think you have to bear one more round. Okay, of this sideway. Okay, of this side, because normally gap is not easy to cross on. You have to have lots of patience. Okay, you have to have lots of patience. Okay, of course, the other thing I don't like about Capital A and AX is that every time they say want to get rid of PN17, tak jadi, filter round already so always kena lah, unless you try to trade within the range of support resistance. Then I think yes, makes sense. Okay, on that. Okay, so okay, now let's get into mountains. Okay, this morning not much movement. I checked the chart. I think yesterday when I posted it's somewhere around here 515. If I check my chart, this is the price that I entered actually 515. This actually is good. Okay, kind of similar like couple handles already. Okay, I kind of like that. This over here is low volume. All right, but main resistance. Okay, hopefully it can cross. Okay, hopefully it can cross this level of I think it's 535 area. All right, if let's say can cross, I think it's pretty good. So far, I think it's good. Okay, so far I think it's good. Okay, but maybe based on current market condition, later on, if let's say it really hit 535, even though it's a very small profit, I think I just chop it a bit first. Okay, takut lah. Like yesterday also, I thought Kobe is going to come ready, but in the end, tak jadi. Okay, drop back again. So miss a lot of K over there lah. Miss a lot of K over there. So sakit hati also. Now, okay, eco first. This kind of stocks chart setups is a bit pump and dump style lah. I think you know lah, Wong. This kind of so-called chart patterns. Okay, but okay, if I look into purely on chart itself, okay, looks like they are doing a shakeout somewhere around here. Drop big gaps, high volume, closing up. Okay. Now, normally, if let's say price trading above high volume is a good sign. Okay, it's a good sign. But this kind of counter because like the other day, if you have attended the pullback class, right? There's few type of candlestick. This is what we call the disharmony type of candlestick, which means you see high volume, but candle is narrow. Okay, now normally this kind of stocks, lots of so-called pump and dump style. What can I say is pump and dump style? So if let's say you see some down bar, high volume, then you need to be careful. But so far, okay, they're able to push up. Okay, they're able to push up. Unless you got some info, then it's okay. If purely based on chart setup itself, right? This style of chart you need to be careful. Okay, because of pump and dump. Okay, now let's go into Bursa, looking for exit price. What is the exit price? Okay, so I didn't look Bursa for some time. I didn't know they are also very strong option. Basically, my Tenaga also. Okay, now of course, this kind of counters normally EPS is buying, so you can see lots of buy and sell. Okay, now one more thing. So I think the other day during our members' day last week, I do talk with Wong and of course one of the users as well. EPS most of the time is not operator. Okay, unless let's say you want to follow for long term, I think yes, that makes sense. But if you want to purely buy and sell following the EPF, right? For short term, I don't think it's a good strategy. Again, just my opinions. Because sometimes so-called EPF, first of all, it's not operator. Second, they just want to so-called support overall KRC. Okay, so sometimes they enter the market or maybe exit the market. Okay, due to certain reasons. Okay, so okay, now in this case over here, I will ignore all the B and S over here because of so-called EPF is buying. Okay, so it doesn't really give me a lot of information. If let's say purely based on chart setups, okay, overall is still very good. Okay, they are still trending very well. Okay, along with 20 MA, pullback along the way. Okay, this is actually a nice pullback chart. Okay, and COC chart if you can see here. Okay, I just remove lah. So we can see some COC lah. Volume is so-called reducing somewhere around here. Here's a nice COC, volume reducing. Okay, if you know COC, you should be able to pick this up. Now let's go into weekly chart. Is it all-time high? Oh, okay, almost all-time high. Okay, close lah. Okay, now this one I think I will do similar. If let's say I'm holding again, this is Jenny asking, I'm not sure what is your entry exit price. Okay, so for me, I think I will do similar like what I'm doing for Tenaga past few months ago. Okay, this is the main resistance around 11 ringgit. But no need to break exactly at 11 ringgit lah. Sometimes operator don't care one, even 11 ringgit or 1 cent, 20 cents below, they don't care one. Okay, around this area over here, first of all, you watch out for shooting star. Okay, if you want to closing to this area, you can take some partial profit already. Oh, EP 920, okay, 920 currently almost 10%. You got almost 10%. So over here, from this zone, I think 10 ringgit and 40 cents, okay, to 11 ringgits. This is the area that I think you can focus on partial profits. Okay, again, Jenny, I'm not sure your aim is for midterm, long term, or short term. Okay, like Tenaga, I'm looking for long term, so I do partial first, then the rest I let it run. Okay, so if not, then this is the area that probably you want to focus because they are hitting the resistance. Okay, this is a resistance area. Okay, so based on daily chart wise, I don't see any weakness, to be frank. In fact, I still think that the chart setup is pretty good. Okay, yes, it's a bit climatic this volume coming up with high volume already, but no sign of weakness yet at this moment. Okay, no sign of weakness at this moment. So, probably you monitor 10 ringgit 40 cents and above. Okay, is there any weakness sign on it? Okay, now let's turn into Menang. Okay, any other stocks, you can let me know by comment below. If not, I just go to the so-called the pullback alerts. Okay, then we'll end our section. Okay. Casey, but this one you have to let me know what is the reasons of the gap. Is it because of dividend or announcement? Okay, I have to put some announcement over here moving forward. If not, sometimes I don't know also. Okay, let's check Okay, this is the one that insider buy. Or is it because of just gap down only without any news? Additional listing announcement on 16 July. Okay, so I think this is just because of the gaps only. Okay, so here, if let's say this one is, is it dividend? How come I cannot see my dividend here? Oh, sorry, dividend is another column. Got dividend meh for Menang? Oh, yes, ada. Oh, sorry, this is the financial result. Okay. I might have to check later on. Okay, so if let's say this is dividend, again, I'm not sure where's how much is the dividend. I have to put the information over here later on. So okay, if let's say this gap is caused by dividend itself, okay, I think this is also still in the nice accumulation, sorry, reaccumulation stage. Okay, I have to wait for the chart to adjust. It's not a bit difficult to tell. To be frank with you, Casey. Okay, I go to hourly chart. Hourly chart didn't give me information also. It's a bit low volume lately. Okay, it's a bit low volume to be frank. This chart's still a bit low volume. Okay, never mind. Okay, see, this one probably what I do, right? Later on, if I check, okay, the chart after adjusted, right, I'll let you know again. Because right now it's a bit difficult for me to tell. If let's say based on purely chart at this moment, okay, it's not in a good trend. Okay, it's not in a good trend. Okay, I need to know what is the dividend and it adjusted, whether it's still in the reaccumulation or not. Okay, so okay, now let's go to GDB. Okay, looks like this one is still in the reaccumulation, right? Tricky stock, okay, because of gap up with the shooting star. Okay, like I say, gap up shooting star. Uh, okay, this one I still okay. Like those like Epicon one, this one not good lah. This one still okay because it's stay above gaps. Yes, they try to close, but in the end they still hold big gaps. Okay, so if you ask me, GDB still other chance. If let's say drop below gaps, that is your so-called trading plan. Okay, there's a trading plan. So if let's say drop below, you have to watch out. So far, as long as they are above gap, I think it's still good. Yes, it's a shooting star high volume, so and it's a big market as well, right? So expect them to move sideways for a period of time. Okay, if you are interested in GDB. Okay, but I think most of this is construction, right? Let me look into that again. Stock info, yeah, construction. Okay, so if you check something like CMSB, right? Mostly they are at the resistance already. Yeah, yesterday also failed. Yesterday I thought they can join already. Oh, but this is not constructions. This is constructions, right? CMSB. Yes. Okay, so here also they are trying resistance several times, but still holding on 2040s. Okay, still holding on 2040s. Okay, so probably these few counters here also can watch out. So okay, now let's into Fajar. Okay, Fajar didn't follow for this week. Okay, capital sudah habis lah. Cannot monitor 2 million stocks already. Okay, so far still good. Yes, they dropped below support, but sorry, they're still around support area. Okay, going back to support area. Low volume, I think is fine. Okay, recently got people sell. Who is the one selling? Mr. Ui. Okay, I'm not sure who's that but you can check that out later on your own. Okay, how many they are selling? But like I said, doesn't mean they sell the price to drop Okay, but sometimes you have to look into overall chart setup also. Okay, so again, this is what I do. If let's say got people buy, okay, like for example, they buy right. Okay, got few people buy right, and I see got strength signal. Maybe I want to follow them. But let's say I see sell right. If let's say on the left hand side or after that got those like high volume shooting star, that one you be careful. Probably there's the sudden got impact on the stock prices, but sometimes most of the time don't have much impact. All right, like I said, insider doesn't mean it's operator. Okay, but again, sometimes based on the strength signal and this one information itself, it can give us a little bit more information. Okay, any stock you want me to look into? If not, probably we end our section. Okay, so let's see my pullback lah. Okay, VLB I see quite active today. Hopefully it can go to R1 or at least 50. Oh, 50 cents already. Okay, nice. Anyone following VLB? I think Casey, you're following VLB, right? Okay, Afin's coming. Okay. Tak apa lah. No, tak ada duit. OIB illiquid, never mind. ATEC. ATEC maybe Shakeout. Casey still following lah. So, okay, let's see can hit R1 or not today. Okay, for VLB. Okay, now, ATEC is a shakeout. Okay, like I said, lately got lots of shakeout. Okay, so for my next month, because this month, which is like last week or 2 weeks ago, I cannot recall, right? We already covered pullback stocks already. So we already covered pullback setup already. Okay, probably for next month, let's see the mid of next month, I will do shakeout. Okay, again, the reasons why, because I think now weak market ma. So got a few shakeout counters I think we can monitor. So probably I see next Friday, okay, or maybe mid of August, okay, we do shakeout courses, okay. So all right, AirTag looks like shakeouts coming, okay, but now it's still early lah, still early in the morning lah, so we still don't know yet. Tech bond also lately a bit active already. This one also same things. We got one high volume shooting star, but the gap is still hold well. Okay, again, normally this kind of counters is a bit similar like GDB. Okay, S1 level is good for you to focus if you want to look for entry. All right, LHI also coming back. WCT, Tenaga. Okay, let's see my Tenaga. Okay lah, sama saja lah, tak ada benda lah. Okay, the other one, how about the other NTEX? Okay, NTEX yesterday volume is good. This is a bit VCP. Okay, got VCP patterns. Okay, but at resistance already lah. If you want to enter right now, definitely your risk to reward ratio is not good lah. Okay, definitely risk to reward ratio is not good. But normally you buy on this kind of counter, you're expecting a breakout. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, of course, I yet to enter yet. I hope they retest back around 20 MA area. Okay, for NTEX. Okay, any others? Theta. Okay, Theta also. Okay, like I said, Theta, actually, I still think that the resistance is a bit strong. So make sure you, again, not ask you to buy sell, but you can actually aim here for your partial profits. Okay. Any others coming up nicely? One. IHH. Okay, this one tak apa lah. Not interested. Okay, so far VLB lah, but VLB almost close to R1 already lah. Okay, still moving up. Okay. LHI. Okay, this one I think still good. Who is buying? Tan Sri Dato Lau Eng Guan, 1 million units. Okay, so here also pullback. Also they break up, pullback. Also they are buying somewhere around this area here. Okay, now pullback complete. They also continue to buy. Is this the same person? Tan Sri Lau. This is not Tan Sri. Tan Sri Lau. Okay, previously here he also got buy lah. Okay, now also lately also he got buy again. Okay, is it to close the gaps? I'm not sure, but setup wise, short term wise, it's good. Okay, with some insider buying. Okay, now let's go to two more stocks before we close out. Let's look into Perdana and MRCB. Okay, then we'll close our sections. Okay, this one moving up slow and steady, hitting 40 MA, rebound. Okay, trend still good. Okay, I think this round is still the same. I don't see any weakness actually. KC for these counters over here. So again, I expect the same thing over here also. So here is also the resistance turn to support. Maybe also resistance return to support, which is maybe here, hit the 40 MA, goes up. All right. So slow and steady kind of movement. Resistance, no weaknesses. But of course, volume recently not much excitement as well. Okay, so probably need to hold for another few more weeks. So okay, now let's into MRCB. Okay, last one. MRCB. Oh, you drop back again. Okay, now this one also another shakeout stocks. They already do two round of shakeout already. This is a small one. Here actually also got shakeout. Okay, now wait for the next shakeout. Lor. Okay, Gary White, I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit, but I'm probably wait for the shakeout to complete first. Okay, before I want to look for the entry opportunity. All right, so it actually dropped with no much volume. Okay, so here we got high volume, but it's not the highest. So I still think that they are still in the shakeout zone. Okay. So right, I think with this, I will end my section here today. So once again, thank you for joining me in this section. If you like my section, help me to click like, share. Okay, join our Telegram if you yet to join my Telegram. Okay, so that we can have further discussion. All right. So with this, thank you. I'll see you in tomorrow's section.